YouTube, got another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be taping Lola's ears. Nipsey, relax. Jeez. Because as you can see, one of her ears is standing up just fine, but the other one is not so much. So it's been a couple weeks, and I think we're going to put some tape on this guy. Just want to walk you guys through how I tape. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, starting off with supplies, we are going to use tape. There's all different kinds of tape that you can use. They have this clear stuff, and they have like the medical, like I call it spat tape, but it's really good adhesion. So I'm going to use this 1 inch. They say it's 1 inch, but it's a little smaller than 1 inch tape. Hey, relax. It's a little smaller than 1 inch. And then yeah, we're gonna get her all wrapped up. All right. Come on, Lola. Come here. Come here, Lola. Oh, Nipsey. She doesn't want to go. Oh. All right. So here we have Lola. So as you can see, her left ear standing up pretty well. We're still gonna tape it, but it's standing up pretty well. The right ear just can't get it to stand up right now. So we're gonna tape. Lola, sit. Lola. She's riled up because Nipsey was playing with her. So we're gonna take a strip. Tape. Lola, just get into everything. Stay. No. Lola, sit. Sit. Stay. Lola. You almost fell off the table, girl. Stay over here. Stay. Alright, so about that much. We're going to start on the inside of the ear. In here. And we're going to pinch, not pinch, but close the ear. Lola, look this way. So start on the inside, we're going to close the ear and go around so that it stays up. First couple passes. Now you don't want it to be too tight because you want to still have blood flow, but you do want it to point up. Like this. I'm going to have to end up putting a little more tape on because she's going to shake that right off in no time. So tape it, point it up, and pull up, and press down a little bit, not too tight. All right. Okay, now that I got a little more relaxed, let's get the other ear. Now the other ear has a good start. So around, goes, and Now all this is designed to do is to encourage the ear to grow upwards. You don't have to put so much tape on there that they don't have blood flow anymore. The only thing you really want it to do is just encourage them to grow up. Now what I actually do as well is I'll tape them together. So up, up, and together. We'll see how long she's able to keep these on there. I'm hoping that these will last about a week until I have to retape them. But she's pretty active with Nipsey, and they play pretty roughly, so I may have to keep her crated a little more than usual. But let's see if we can get a nice stack for you guys. I'm not the best at stacking, but let's see. Okay. Not bad. Alright, so this is my taping job. That's a good grip. But this is my taping job. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys think of the tutorial. I think yours are gonna come out very nicely as long as she can keep them on there. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for 350 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, keep the likes coming, keep the comments coming. Let me know if what you guys like and what you guys don't like about the content. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know everything, man. I love reading you guys' comments. I read them all, I reply to them all. And if you're a new subscriber, just give me a thumbs up, or yeah. We'll see you next time. You say bye. You say bye. Peace.